Welcome back, champions. This is Rise and Conquer channel. We unlock the mindset, discipline, and faith you need to rise higher and live with purpose. Tired of living small, tired of fear, tired of excuses, you're in the right place. 'Cause every week, we bring you powerful truths, strategies, and stories that will push you to become the person God created you to be. Now, let's dive into today's message.
Do you know why most businesses fail in the first 5 years? It's not lack of money. It's not lack of ideas. It's lack of mindset. Because when pressure comes, and it will, only resilience can keep you standing. Today, I want to show you how to cultivate a resilient entrepreneurial mindset. The reality of entrepreneurship. Let's be honest. Entrepreneurship is not easy. It's not glamorous. It's not always that Instagram picture of someone on the beach with a laptop. Entrepreneurship is late nights. It's early mornings. It's sacrifice. It's failure after failure, rejection after rejection. But here's the truth, entrepreneurship is also freedom. It's creativity. It's impact. It's building something that lasts. And the difference between those who quit and those who succeed is not talent, not money, not luck. It's resilience. The power of resilience. Resilience is the ability to bend but not break. To be knocked down 7 times. And rise 8. The Bible says in Proverbs 24 verse 16, "For a righteous man falls 7 times, and rises again." Every great entrepreneur you admire, from Elon Musk to Dangler, from Oprah Winfrey to Steve Jobs, has been knocked down. They've been laughed at. They've been doubted. They've been rejected. But they got back up. Again and again. That's resilience. Let's talk about Colonel Arlen Sanders, the founder of KFC. Do you know he was rejected over 1,000 times when pitching his fried chicken recipe? Over 1,000 no's before someone finally said yes. That's resilience. Think about Elon Musk. At one point, both Tesla and SpaceX were on the edge of collapse. He had to borrow money just to pay his rent. But he refused to quit. Today, he runs 2 multi-billion-dollar companies that are changing the world. Even Oprah Winfrey was fired from her first TV job because they said she wasn't fit for television. Imagine if she believed them. Instead, she pushed forward. Today, she's a billionaire and an icon. Keys to cultivating a resilient mindset. 1. Redefine failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is the pathway to success. Every setback carries a lesson that moves you forward. 2. Build mental toughness. Stop expecting the road to be easy. Expect resistance. Expect rejection. And decide in advance, no matter what, I will not quit. 3. Focus on vision, not circumstances. Circumstances will discourage you. Cash will run low. People will doubt you. But if your vision is bigger than your circumstances, you'll keep moving. 4. Adapt and evolve. Resilience doesn't mean being stubborn. It means being flexible. Change your methods, but never your mission. 5. Surround yourself with strength. Iron sharpens iron. Stay close to mentors, books, communities that remind you why you started and push you to keep going. Mindset shift, from scarcity to growth. Entrepreneurs don't fail because of money. They don't fail because of opportunity. They fail because of mindset. The scarcity thinker says, I don't have enough money. I don't know enough people. I can't compete. But resilient entrepreneurs think differently. They say, if I don't have the money, they'll find a way to raise it. If I don't know enough people, they'll learn, they'll grow, they'll build my network. I don't need to compete, they'll create. The truth is, success is not about resources. It's about resourcefulness. Because storms will come. Rejection will come. Doubt will come. You will be told no more times than you can count. But resilience says, I may bend, but I will not break. I may fall, but I will rise again. Remember the bamboo tree. For 5 years, nothing shows above ground. Then suddenly, it shoots up 90 feet in roots. It wasn't magic, it was resilience in hidden years, roots growing deep. That's entrepreneurship. So hear me clearly, if you want to succeed, you need more than ideas, more than talent, more than money. You need resilience. Because tough times don't last. Tough people do. Cultivate resilience. Build that unshakable mindset. Refuse to quit. And watch your dream rise higher than you ever imagined. Thank you, and God bless you.
Remember this, motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Your greatness is not in the future, it's already inside you, waiting for you to act.
If today's message spoke to you, don't just listen, take action. And if you found value, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and live every day with purpose. God bless you.